I don't have much time to show you that I'm good at chemistry, so I have chosen two kinds of chemical reactions and then I'm going to prove that they have a lot in common with human relationships. So the first type of chemical reaction is the synthesis reaction, in other words, combination reaction. So in this type of chemical reaction, a compound is made from simpler materials. So now let me give you an example of this kind of chemical reaction. As you can see, here we have sodium and chlorine gas, which gives us sodium chloride. But if you look very carefully, then you can see that the number of atoms of these particular elements aren't the same on both sides. So warning, always remember to balance the sides. So if you put number 2 here and number 2 here, then we can see that the sides are balanced. So now let me give you an analogy to human relationships. As you can see here, we have two single people, maybe separated, isolated, but through some kind of interactions, time spent together, showing passion and interest, they finally become a couple or just pair of members collaborating together in a team. The second chemical reaction I have chosen is the double replacement method, in other words, double displacement. So, it's when the positive and negative ions in two compounds switch places. So now, let me give you an example. As you can see, we have only compounds on both sides. So if we think about balancing them, then we need to add number 2 here. And now, the number of atoms of these particular elements are the same on both sides. So we have barium, chlorine, sodium, sulfur, and oxygen. And now, an analogy. It will be a dance floor analogy. As we can see, here we have two couples made of girl 1, boy 1, and girl 2 and boy 2. And somehow girl 2 is attracted to boy 1 and girl 1 is attracted to boy 2. So what they did was just switch places. No one is left behind, no one left the dance floor. Everyone are still dancing. Isn't it all about us?